Alex here, and in this video I will be going over how to change your camera as well as saving specific views within your project. When you initially open up a Skema project, it comes in at a perspective view, but you can alter this and change it by selecting your perspective camera view icon in the top right corner, and then it will change to an orthographic view. And you can always toggle between the two views at any point throughout the project just by selecting this icon in the corner. You also have the ability to create custom views that you can save, hop in between throughout the process of your project. So let's say, for example, I want to get a view right here at street level. What I can do is go over to where it says default, which will automatically be your default view as you create a project. And then let's select this plus button. And I can call this anything I want. So for example, let's call this street view and hit save. So now I'm at my street view. So if I go back to my default view, you'll notice I'm just back into this panning space that goes into my project. But if I want to hop back to the street view, again, I can select this down arrow, go to street view, and it will hop right there. And if I want to make any edits to this, I can simply go in and select the edit button, whether it's changing the name of the street view, or I can change the view itself as well. And you can add as many views as you want in your project in Skema.